In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean, simple RSVP form on your Squarespace wedding site. First, open your Squarespace website and enter the page where you want guests to RSVP. Click Edit so you're working in the page editor. To keep things clean and focused, add a new section and choose the blank layout. This gives your RSVP its own space without distractions. Inside that blank section, add a block. Use the block search bar to quickly find the form block and insert it. As soon as the form appears, open its settings and give it a clear title, something concise that tells guests exactly what this form is for. A straightforward title keeps the page tidy and easy to understand. Next, go into Edit Form Fields. This is where you simplify. Remove anything you don't need and keep only the essentials you plan to collect. Many couples keep this minimal to improve response rates, short labels, plain language, and only the fields you truly need. You can also mark individual fields as required if they're essential. Now add a new field and choose Checkbox. This works perfectly for attendance, since it's compact and intuitive. Label the checkbox clearly and add two options that make the choice obvious, like a positive option and a polite decline option. Keep the wording warm but brief so guests can answer quickly. When you're done, confirm your changes. Click back to return to the main form settings, and back again to get to the form panel. Take a moment to review the layout. If needed, rename any labels so they're consistent, and keep capitalization and punctuation simple for a clean look. If your template supports it, you can adjust spacing around the section to give the form some breathing room. Generous white space helps the form feel modern and welcoming. Return to the canvas and click the form once more to make sure everything looks right in context. If you made changes, double-check that the button text is clear and action-oriented. A short confirmation message after submission can be helpful too, so guests know their response went through. When everything is set, click Save at the top to publish your changes. That's it. A clean, simple RSVP form your guests can complete in seconds. A couple of quick tips before you go. Keep the number of fields low to boost completion, test the form yourself to confirm the flow feels smooth, and check submissions in your Squarespace settings so nothing gets missed. With that, you're ready to collect RSVPs with ease.